Welcome to this video. Can these religious beliefs be really true? Let's examine. Well, most religions teach some very good and ethical thoughts, and we must welcome them irrespective of the source, provided they promote mutual goodwill and happiness across people around the world, irrespective of race, creed, color, religion. But let's talk about some of the teachings of their scriptures or their preachers and check whether they could be true. But before we do that, let's talk about one simple observation. The physical laws of nature apply to all humans alike. If anyone, irrespective of religion, jumps up in the air, he or she is going to come down to the ground. We all can run at similar speeds. We have similar medical parameters. We all die at similar age range. When calamities take place, pandemics happen, wars take place, people die irrespective of their religion in a very similar way. In other words, God's laws apply to all of us alike. If all the observable laws of nature apply in the same way, how is it that claims are being made about afterlife which are different for selective few and different for all others? Is it really possible that people who pray to God in a particular way, call God by a particular name, will all go to heaven and everyone else to hell? Is it possible that God has chosen a few people selectively for their salvation and the rest of His creation for eternal damnation by eternally burning them in hell? Can such claims made by one religion and contested by another religion be simultaneously true? How can religions be allowed to grip a large part of humanity in irrational and perpetual fear? How about all those people who were born and died much before these religions even came into existence? Was it their fault that they could not hold on to their mortal body for coming of these religions? Yet, followers and political and religious leaders of these zealot religions have attacked other communities, destroyed their cultures, robbed them of their wealth, mocked their ways of worship, killed multi-millions of people, converted in huge numbers, all under duress. Unfortunately, this propaganda of exclusivity continues even today. Attacks and conversions continue. Is it not amazing that people have boxed themselves in a thought through a propaganda which so much goes against human values and common sense? World has existed for billions of years, mankind for millions of years, and yet followers of religions born in last 2 millennia continue to partake the same activities to which their forefathers had fallen a prey. Hope better sense prevails for the peace in this world, as some of these zealots may not mind sacrificing peace here for their perceived enjoyment and peace in afterlife. Let us save ourselves from this vicious propaganda and deliberate planting of fear about hellfire. Let us awaken to the true dharma. Manurbhava, be human. In fact, let humans know that they have all the same God principle residing in all of them, irrespective of race, community, country, religion. Do subscribe to this channel, share it, spread positivity. Thank you.